In this video, we are going to show you how to install Judge.me product review app on your Shopify store. Of course, again, you need to be signed in. Once you are logged into your Shopify account and you are here on your admin dashboard, I want you to look to your left-hand side, and I want you to click on apps, right? When you click apps, this pop-up will appear, there's a search bar, and you need to type Judge.me. Right? And you're going to have two options. You're going to have Judge.me reviews and Judge.me importer. We want to click on Judge.me reviews because that's what we are looking for to integrate reviews for our Shopify store. And this tab will appear. Just like any other app, you need to click install. And just like any other app, it's going to open a new tab. So whether or not this is the main installation or it might ask us for another install request. There you go. Click that again. And here it's going to install the Judge.me review app. And once it's loaded, there you go. It is now integrated in our Shopify account, and you can now start setting up Judge.me reviews on your Shopify account. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next video.